Goldman Sachs just dropped a bomb. 300 million jobs gone by 2028. Not maybe. Definitely. McKinsey ran the numbers. 50% of white-collar work. Automated. This decade. Right now. Your job is on the table. Microsoft paid $10 billion for GPT integration. They're not betting on humans. They're betting on replacement. Look at what happened to Paralegals. AI legal review cut discovery time by 80%. One tool, one company, thousands of jobs evaporated. Radiologists are next. AI reads X-rays faster than humans, more accurate too. IBM Watson already replaced 4,000 radiologists in hospitals. Your salary, your benefits, your health insurance, all dependent on being faster than a machine. Machines don't get sick, don't ask for raises, don't retire. Goldman Sachs data shows 18% of administrative work gone within 24 months. Accounting positions cut by 35% in firms using AI. This isn't speculation. This is financial reality. Companies save money, shareholders win, workers lose. The math is brutal and simple. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.